I've heard that you could make money making Roblox games, so I decided to make one to see if it's true. I recorded most days, so without further ado, here is the journey of my first recorded Roblox game, Cosmic Incremental. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games Game 1 Day 1. Copying the map from another Ganekuzen Lazy. First arrow appears. Yay! Orbs are only spawning once because somebody forgot to anchor the part. Now it is perfect. Making sure orbs spawn locally only. After some bug fixing and adding the data saving system, Day 1 is done. Day 2 will be adding the UI for upgrades and the logic for them. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games Game 1 Day 2. Today I worked on making the GUI for the upgrade stand. The upgrade UI will use a surface GUI, but it's easier to work as a screen GUI first. Making a good template so I'll have to do less work later. I'm also making sure naming is consistent for easier scripting. Using Fredoka 1 because I like that font, and most Roblox games use it. Adding some colors that fit the theme of the game. After scaling the stand a bit, things are looking much better. After messing with scales a bit, here's the end result. Some scripting later, the stand is very close to being done. It's mostly done visually. Just need to make it actually do something. That's it for Day 2. Day 3 I will try to get prices right and add functionality to each upgrade. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games Game 1 Day 3. Today was an easy but agonizing day. All I did was price balancing and adding the logic for the upgrades. However, I faced many issues. UI not displaying correct prices, upgrades were not being saved, upgrades were not working correct, etc. But eventually, I solved each one by one. UI was not displaying numbers correctly due to an issue with the way I was formatting numbers. Upgrades were not being saved because they never communicated with the data handler. And they were not working correctly because they did not affect the orb spawner system correctly. But now everything is working like I wanted. That's it for today. As I said, it was a short day. Tomorrow I will start working on the rebirth system. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games Game 1 Day 4. Today I worked on the rebirth system, which was easier than I expected. But still there were a few errors that appeared while I was working on it. As you can see, the first error has appeared. The UI of the upgrades does not reset, and I'm getting an error code. I added the logic for the rebirth upgrades, and it's working. There's 3 rebirth upgrades: walk speed, orb pickup radius, and aura multiplier. After some more coding, now all problems are solved. I also added some quality of life features like colored buttons. Day 4 is complete, and it was easier than I imagined. For Day 5 I will balance some prices for the rebirth system, some polishing, and maybe add a new zone. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games Game 1 Day 5. Today I was polishing Zone 1 and getting ready to add Zone 2. The first thing I added was multiple orb variants to make the zone more interesting. I added 4 in total. The rarer the orb, the more aura it gives you. Then I had to change the orb spawner to make sure it could spawn the multiple variants. As you can see, it works perfectly. After that, I polished some things like the UI, added sounds and floating numbers to make it look and feel better. And with that, Zone 1 is pretty much complete in terms of logic. Later I might change the map to make it prettier. Day 5 is complete. For day 6 I will start working on Zone 2. I'm thinking it could be a cosmic lake where you have to fish, but I would love to hear your ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games game 1, day 6. It's been a while since I uploaded because I lost footage for day 6, 7, 8 and 9. But don't worry, progress has been steady. I will try my best to show what I did each day. Day 6 was basically setting everything to start working on the new zone. Stands for the upgrades and surface squeeze for each one. Also things like the area for the zone to main objective. Can't forget the wall that separates Zone 2 and 1. Also, do not worry, this is not how the map will look like. I will try to make it prettier. This is basically it for day 6. Very basic but important for what's next. For day 7 I will add the fishing logic to the new zone and all of the upgrades of that zone. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games game 1, day 7. It's been a while since I uploaded because I lost footage for day 6, 7, 8 and 9. But don't worry, progress has been steady. I will try my best to show what I did each day. For day 7 I added all logic for Zone 2. You stand at this lake and wait a few seconds to catch fish. There are different type of fish, some are rarer than others. You then sell those fish to get this zone's currency, cosmic scales. With these you can buy the zone's upgrades, faster fish time, fish multiplier, and fish luck multiplier. You can also buy upgrades for Zone 1, or a multiplier, essence multiplier and orb luck multiplier. That's it for day 7. It seemed short, but it took me some time to finish all. For day 8 I will add something really important, a complete reset, in return of some special permanent upgrades. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games game 1, day 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I decided to make a single video for multiple days because each day was very small but important. Did some things like adding images to the stands, polishing as much as I can Zone 1 and 2. I also added something very important for becoming a millionaire, Game Pass and monetization. I also added a complete rebirth, prestige system. Each level costs more aura and resets all zones to 0 in exchange of strong permanent upgrades. It's been a long journey to weeks long, but I'm almost done. I just want to decorate the map so it fits the game style more. Once the game is released, feel free to try it, and if you find any bugs, tell me so I can fix them. That's it for today. Tomorrow I will show you how the map will look like, and for day 14 is just doing things like thumbnails and publishing the game. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games game 1, day 13. This day is all about decorating. For Zone 1 I wanted it to be like floating space rocks. I wanted to have multiple of them with different positions to make it look better. After that I made little hoverboards to hold the stands. I added some particle effects to show how it's floating. And to finish Zone 1 I added some stars and effects, both to give more light and make the map better. Zone 2 took the longest and is basically a cosmic lake full of neon fish. Here's a very sped up montage. I will show the final results at the end. Very tedious work, but totally worth it. Also, this is extremely sped up. It took me like 2 hours in total to make this. Here is the final result, but you have to play the game to fully see it. I'm almost done with this game, just need to do a few more things. That's it for day 13. Day 14 will be just making the thumbnails and descriptions, and hopefully day 15 the game will be published. Thanks for watching. Like and follow, subscribe. Becoming a millionaire making Roblox games game 1, Day 14, final day. Today I worked on making the logo and thumbnails for the game. I don't have much experience making these, so I tried my best. I used Canva because that's the only app I know how to use. I also did things like adding the game description, completing questionnaires, and all that stuff. And that's it. The game is now published, and you should check it out. I changed the name to Cosmic Incremental because it makes more sense with the theme. If you haven't already, you should check out every other video to see how the progress of the game was. And what's next? For now, I want to see how well the game does. If it does well, then I will continue making more games and updating this one. And if it does not do well, then I DK. It's been 3 months since I have been making Roblox games. This is the first one I recorded. And I do not see myself making more Roblox games when I could use the time I put into things that might make me more money in the future. For example, I am learning to make games in UE5 and 3D models in Blender. But only time will tell what happens. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and go play my game. I would appreciate the support. Thanks.